Hey there crew, Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you a few new buttons and features we added to the TRW Design Wizard version 5.7 Pro. So basically, if you own the Wizard 5, your software just got a little bit better at no extra charge. So let me show you what we actually added into the 5.7 Pro that you can see right here. In the live template editor, what you're going to see off to the side here is a new one for import artwork and then a new one for my artwork. So we know that you guys may have some different vector files, EPS, CDR, SVG files that you may have created, you might have from different companies and whatnot. We want those to be able to be easily accessible for you within our software as well. So what you can do is you can change the folders that automatically open here. So if you have a My Documents folder or My Vector Files folder or whatever it is, you can just go to and click My Artwork here. I have mine just going to my videos tab, but if you want to change wherever it goes, you can just click on this folder right here, choose what folder you want to automatically open each time, and then it's easily accessible within the TRW Live template editor of the Design Wizard version 5. So pretty awesome, but again, anytime you can save time, that means more money for your business. So those are two new buttons right there. And then another one when it comes to actual features in the software is when you go to the Magic tab in the Wizard interface, you're going to see your Stone Knockout button, which is a crazy button that does an entire design with one click. So I'll show you an example of this. If I grab my eagle here, I drag it up into my design, and I want to show you both versions just so you can see the difference of this inside contour feature that we added. So right now, if you have the version 5.5, it's actually doing an inside contour of 0.17 to the outside and the inside. So what that means is when I take this design, I go and click Stone Knockout, it's going to process through this. And check this out. It does a knockout. It adds my stones. It does everything in one click. That's insane, right? You guys know that. It's pretty awesome. But what I didn't really like about it is it does a 0.17 to the inside as well. So you don't get as much detail in your image that you're adding into it. We wanted to give you full control of that. So in the 5.7, here's what you actually have the ability to do now. I want to do my inside contour at just the 0.06 or whatever you want, but the outside contour always has to be wide enough to fit whatever stone size you're working with. So the software does all of that part for you, but we wanted you to be able to change that inside contour a little bit to possibly make your design look nicer. So the difference, highlight my design, I did a 0.06 inside, click on my Stone Knockout now, and processes through. Everything's done, but see the extra detail I get in my eagle there? Look at the difference between the two. This top one right here still looks amazing, right? But a little bit too much on that inside contour. The bottom one, see how much more detail you can see in the eagle's mouth and the beak and the eyes and everything else? Just a cleaner, nicer looking design. So we thought it would be something to be cool. We added it to the software completely free to all of you 5.0 users already. How many other companies does your software get better like this and extra features at no extra charge? TRW Design Wizard, that's it, right? So go to your order history, download, if you don't have up top here the 5.7 Pro, okay, and you do have the 5.5, 5.4, 3.2, any of the older ones, just go to your order history on the website. The 5.7 will be there to download. It'll update automatically, and you will have the inside contour feature for the Stone Knockout and also the extra folder buttons off to the side to save you some time as well. So thank you very much for all of you that own the TRW Design Wizard 5.0 Pro. If you do have any questions, give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696, and we look forward to helping you soon. Later.